Have you ever wondered why sometimes, without even trying, you can walk into a room and every woman's eyes follow you? It's not luck. It's not money. It's science. Because chemistry isn't just a metaphor. It's real. And it's driven by hormones, pheromones, and the subtle cues your body sends without you even knowing. Today, I'm going to show you how to hack her hormones and flip the script on attraction using cutting-edge science. Let's start with scent, the silent language of the limbic brain. Research shows that women's brains are wired to pick up on pheromones, chemical signals that bypass logic and hit the hypothalamus, the brain's emotional center. One whiff of the right scent can spark a cascade of attraction before she even realizes it. But here's the catch. Most men sabotage this without knowing it. Shower gels, deodorants, and synthetic fragrances often mask your natural scent. Instead of broadcasting masculinity, you're broadcasting chemicals. Step 1. Opt for unscented or neutral grooming products. Let your natural scent do the talking. Step 2. Optimize your health. What you eat, how much you sweat, even your stress levels affect the chemical signature your body gives off. Clean diet, low stress, and confidence all amplify the pheromones that trigger attraction. Now let's talk tone of voice. Studies show that women are drawn to a lower, steady tone. It signals dominance, confidence, and emotional control. A high-pitched, fast-talking tone? It triggers stress. She subconsciously perceives you as nervous, weak, and easy to manipulate. Step 3. Slow down your speech. Lower your tone. Pause before answering. This isn't about being fake. It's about mastering your delivery so your words hit her limbic system like a direct shot of dopamine. Now let's talk proximity, the distance between you and her. Proxemics, yes, it's a real science, shows that entering a woman's personal space at the right moment triggers an automatic, subconscious evaluation. If you do it confidently and with calibrated timing, she feels the spark of attraction. Do it too soon or too aggressively, and she feels threatened. Step 4. Read her body language. Is she leaning in? Is she mirroring your posture? That's your green light. Step in, just a little, until you're close enough that she can feel your presence. That's where chemistry happens. But remember, none of this is manipulation if your intention is genuine. It's understanding how biology shapes attraction and using it to create authentic, powerful connections. Because when you understand hormones, pheromones, and proxemics, you're not just another guy hoping she notices. You're the guy her brain and her body can't ignore. If this lit your mind on fire, share it. Subscribe. Hit that bell. Because this is just the beginning. Stay tuned for the next level of unstoppable attraction.